Loretta's punch. Hey Loretta, how you doing? We love your punch. Okay, lemon slice. Rim the glass. We're using a mason jar and stick that in some sugar. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, now let's get down to the mix. Ice. Come behind that with some orange slices. Okay, you have to peel them first. That's why they look like that. Okay, strawberries. Okay, some rum. A little bit of Loretta, what are you doing? Sorry, wrong girl. Glad we're not dating because that'd be problematic to explain. Fresh squeezed lemon juice, fresh squeezed lime juice. Loretta, you got a lot of stuff going on in here. And a little bit of kinky pink. Okay. I'm loving the fruit punch too. Awesome. I'm loving what Loretta did here. Okay, and then we blend. Love the color too. Pour that in, ladies and gentlemen. That's right there, party in your mouth. Loretta's punch. Okay, lemon slice. Little straw, biodegradable straw by the way. Okay, trying to save the planet. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy. Loretta, thank you, okay? Whoever you are.